Borneo Tropical Rainforest Resort is an agro and nature resort nestled in the natural setting of pristine and lush tropical rainforest of the Lumber Hills, neighboring the renowned Lumber Hills National Park, 40 minutes drive from Miri town. The resort offers leisure and corporate guests various accommodation options with modern-day comfort and amenities, all in perfect blend with the natural surroundings and ambiance. Listening to sounds of insects and birds chirping amidst the breathtaking views of the lake, mountains, and rainforest truly offers a peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. The resort has a selection of 18 unique architectural style chalets, harmoniously blended with a magnificent forest view or lake view. Another 30 standard and family rooms are located within the main building with convenient access to business center, health center, restaurant and bar, meeting rooms, surau, and other guest facilities. The rooms are well equipped with private bathroom, hot and cold shower, hair dryer, satellite TV, air conditioning, minibar, tea and coffee making facilities. For budget-conscious guests, the resort also offers hostel lodging with bunk beds and common bathrooms. Bring your own camping gear and discover the outdoor camping adventures at the resort campsite. Our formal and informal meeting and conference rooms, which offers flexibility and flair, can accommodate from 40 to 300 persons. With modern facilities and equipment,